Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. I spend a lot of time in my kitchen cooking and baking, and I have very high standards for the tools that I use. I have been so impressed with this Bundt pan from Nordic Ware. Now, right away, you can see that it is well made. It is extremely sturdy and heavy. No flimsy warping with this Bundt pan. You know, as soon as you pick it up, that it is going to last a long time. It's also got a really great finish to it, so it is not going to stick. There is nothing worse than taking the time to bake a cake and then have a piece of it stick. I have not had that happen with this Bundt pan, and I have been using it over and over again. It gives you a beautiful even bake. It is a 12 cup capacity and it releases perfectly. So this Bundt pan does everything I could hope for. It cleans up easily. It's a breeze to clean up. Nothing sticks to it. So if you are looking for a reliable Bundt pan to add to your arsenal in the kitchen, I highly recommend this one. It's beautiful, it releases well, it's sturdy, and you're gonna get an even bake all the way through. And that is my point of view.